Hey, what's up guys? It's me, SL Preem. I'm finally back after I don't know, 5 days of not uploading. And today I have a very special video for you guys. Here we actually have a Pixel 3 XL, almost brand new condition for only $100. That is an incredible deal. And you may be wondering, what's wrong with the phone? Well, before we get into that, I'm going to let you guys know what's not wrong with the phone. So number one, all cameras, front and back, are 100% functional. The phone is also unlocked, so you can use it with any carrier. On top of that, there's no deep scratches anywhere. It's almost brand new condition, like I said before. And I mean, there's a couple scratches, but this phone is basically brand new. Again, I'm trying to push the point that this phone is near perfect. On top of that, the speakers are still working very good, and there's also no issues with the Touch ID sensor, or I guess pixel imprint, if I'm using the correct terminology. And yeah, so here's the display, and at first glance it looks perfect, but that's actually the one major fault of this phone, and that's why it's super cheap. So there's actually a major problem with the display, and the problem is it's kind of pink. As you can see, this image is supposed to be all white, but you can see there's actually a reddish pinkish tint. And yeah, basically these phones used to be demo phones, and they're just sitting out there on the pink welcome screen for a very long time, like pink home screen. This is the wallpaper, and over time that wallpaper actually burns into the device, so then there's actually a little ghost image of the wallpaper. So you may be wondering, is it still unusable? Is it gonna bother me to death that I just want to smash the phone? No, of course not. I've been using this phone around doing everyday tasks like YouTube, Instagram, etc. And I barely notice a difference. You basically don't notice. If you give this phone to a normal person and never show them a fully white screen, they wouldn't actually know that there's something wrong with this phone. On top of that, you can actually turn on grayscale to disable all colors, and it actually gives your device a very nice looking screen. Obviously there's no colors, but again, it's a Pixel 3 XL. Pixel 3 XL, still very fast in 2020 with excellent cameras for only $100. That's an insane value. There's literally no point in buying any other phone. This phone is just perfect. Obviously not 100% perfect, but perfect for a $100 phone. So at the end of the day, if you're really on a tight budget, you want a really nice modern phone with great cameras, and you only have around $120 to spare, go on ebay.com right now and search Pixel 3 XL unlocked, or whatever your carrier is, and then just do lowest price to highest. You will see there's a bunch of these pink phones, and again, they're in pretty much perfect condition on the outside, and the screen is pink again, but that is a very minor issue to me if you care about a good phone that works very fast with a good camera. And at the end of the day, if you really hate it that much, it's not that hard to just replace the screen. Obviously you're gonna need to buy some tools, such as a heat gun and some knives to actually pry through the phone, but you're just getting an incredible savings. So in order to fix the screen, I'm choosing two different paths. So number one is actually leaving it on the default screen, but inverting the colors so then it burns out the screen evenly. So if you guys want to know if this method works of just inverting the burnt-in part of the screen, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and comment down below anything just to help the YouTube algorithm know my video is worth watching. Anyways, the second method is I'm actually just gonna replace the screen. Like, I got this phone for $100, okay? And a brand new Pixel 3 is around, I don't know, 500, I don't know, 400. And just by replacing the screen, I'm gonna get a brand new phone. Pretty much brand new. I'm not replacing the battery because it's still pretty good, but yes, you can get a brand new Pixel 3 XL for only $180 because that's how much the screen replacement costs, plus tools, so maybe 20 bucks. So that's $200 total for a brand new Pixel 3. That is an insane deal, and if you're too scared to change the screen, you don't even need to do it yourself. Just hire someone else. You would still get an incredible savings. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like this new format of basically recording in my studio, aka my room, instead of just me holding the phone the entire time. So